Hey guys, and today we're going to be doing stupid games again. And if you guys can hear that music in the background, that's just my mom playing ukulele. Today we're going to be starting from the bottom. And, yep, this definitely packs on. Sounds stupid. So, here we go. What? No, I'm not doing this. Play now. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. I do not want to do this. Now, his sound packs on. No, okay. This is definitely starting off dumb. Yes. I hope this isn't too loud. I hope this is loud enough for you guys. Where do I go? Where am I? Oh god. What the heck? Wait, so I can't bump into those guys. Ha! Hope. Oh, you have lives. Nope. Game over. Try again. Yes, this is definitely done already. Oh, that one was close. Sorry I'm not talking too much. No, I'm so close. And yeah, this game is already done. What about this game? I've heard about this game. I've heard it's very okay. I don't want this. I don't want this. It's happening to me. Yes, play now, please. I don't want to do this. So yeah, if we hear that in the background, that's my mom playing my ukulele. She actually really likes ukulele. I don't want to play Leads of Angels. No, I don't want to play that. We might end up playing Alvindale again. Alvindale. Holy. Where are you? I'm tired. I don't really know much about this game. I'm guessing that those bottom ones are just the tutorial. We don't... Huh? To teleport? What? Yeah. This is more like a 2-player game. What? Oh, okay. Run and jump. Boom. Boom. It's not what I was expecting. It's not as stupid. Still stupid? No! No. Okay. This is so laggy. You know I'm not gonna play this. Let's play it. Oh no. I'm still keeping these as tabs. I don't want to see this commercial anymore. So if you guys don't know what the series is, it's about me checking out weird websites that just confuse me. Hey, why do people make websites like this? Why? Tell me, please. Ships the whale. This isn't hard. Oh. There come the cars. I'm guessing this is how I cross the road. No! No! Oh, a free gift. Cool. Ooh, won a prize. Give me the prize. Snail. This guy's probably gonna be really slow. Oh, he's actually pretty fast. Well, he's the fastest snail I know. Go, 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 go. Boom, that's how you do it. I thought I was gonna be a noob at this game. No. No, I was rushing. I didn't want to get run over. Oh, I paused the game. Okay. Bye, piggies. This can be like Angry Birds. Not sure. I don't have anything bad with. I like Angry Birds. It's just that Angry Birds isn't that stupid. Although the thing that birds want to destroy piggies. Have anything to eat over here? No. I'm kind of hungry. Yep, this is gonna be Angry Birds. Where are the pigs? Oh, I'm playing as the pig. No, I want to put the pig here. This is gonna annoy me. Crazy. No. Wait a minute. I really don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, this did not work. Let's restart. What am I doing right now? Ask me, please. What is this? Wait, can I put the pig inside of a box? Let's see. I can. Well, that makes a lot more sense. Okay, well this might help. Yeah. Restart. You see, this is level 1. What has happened though? Like, put that inside the box. Then put that there. This should work. Yes, it's working. It took me too long. Oh, yay. Yay. Holy. And yeah. Ah. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, I thought I'll do this level and then I'll quit. So I am not talking much in this video, it's just that I'm so focused. I hope this works. What the heck? I don't know anything of what's happening. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna stop recording here. See you guys in the next video.